in Paris, the World Championship 2017.
It was very exciting and very hard competition, and it was very sharp, I can say. So they were very close. And it's a very big difference to do something alone without any pressure. That their pressure is much more harder. They have done a good job. It's a wonderful progress because of two reasons. One is the theory of the cube, so the scientific background of it made a lot of progress, new and new algorithm. That's one thing. Other thing is the community is growing very hard. That means that there is much more people tried, and because of the statistical proof, between these so many people, you can find very talented ones. And other thing is they work very hard to achieve. So that's what you can learn for this kind of things.
Your world champion is Max.
It's not enough to be talented. It's not enough to be lucky, but you need to work hard.